Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm sure you guys are doing really well. Hope you guys checked out my last juice video. If not, I'll leave the link in the description box and also as a recommended video at the end of this video. So today let's make a quick and simple oven baked spaghetti lunch. It's super easy and cheesy and not too many ingredients, and it'll leave you asking for more. The full recipe is in the description box as well. So first of all, I'm going to dice one white onion and about 4 cloves of garlic and set aside. I coat my baking dish with some olive oil. I'm using a packet of Crown Premium spaghetti for this recipe. So I'm just going to break the spaghetti in half and put in the dish, and then arrange the spaghetti noodles in the same direction. And then I'm going to add my pasta tomato sauce. I did make tomato sauce or stew sometime last week, which is very similar to this particular tomato sauce, so please check out that video. The difference between that tomato sauce and this one is that in this one I use tomato paste and less spices, including black pepper, oregano, and basil. After adding the pasta tomato sauce, I'm then going to add the chopped onion and garlic. Now come the spices. I'm going to add my oregano, black pepper, and basil. Afterward, I am going to mix the spaghetti noodles so they don't clump or stick together. Then I add some water. Make sure that the water is some centimeters above the spaghetti noodles. Mix again, and then I am going to bake in the oven. After about 10 minutes of baking, I'm going to take out the spaghetti noodles and mix to prevent the spaghetti noodles from clumping or sticking together. You know, that's a real possibility and you don't want that. I'm also going to taste and adjust the salt and the water accordingly. And then I'm going to return to the oven. When about 95% cooked, I'm going to take out my spaghetti and add my topping. I'm using mozzarella cheese to top it off, so I'm going to coat the surface generously and then return to the oven for a few minutes. And voila, the oven baked spaghetti is ready. So yum. So there you have it, guys. Oven baked spaghetti. I'm just going to serve myself some and eat off camera. Thanks for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe if you haven't. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Ciao!